Okay, so for our on your own problem, when you move on your own, you're going to be having on one side, you're going to have a fraction and you're going to have to convert that into a decimal. And then on your right side, you're going to have the decimal and you're going to convert it back into the fraction. So on this slide, you can go back and refer to your place value. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. To the right of your ones place is your decimal. So everything to the left of that decimal point is a whole number. Okay. Then when we go to the move to the right, we're starting to, these places are less than one. So these are our fractional parts of our place value chart. So I'm just going to leave this here for you to refer back to this slide if you need help on your own problems. So if I look up at number 1, I want to write 6/10 as a decimal. So because I do not have a whole number in front of 6/10, I have 0 ones and 6/10. So it would show as 0 ones, 6/10. When I look at number 2, I want to write the mixed number 5 and 9/10 as a decimal. So 5 is a whole number. So I am going to be showing something in the ones place. I'm going to show that 5 in the ones place. Then I will put my decimal point after the ones and show that I have 9/10. So it would look like this. In number 3, we're going to convert 9/100ths into a decimal. I do not have a whole number. It's not a mixed number. It's just a fraction. So I am going to put my decimal point, show that I have 0 ones, I have 0 tenths, and then 9/100ths. And number 4, 4 and 55/100ths. So I do have a whole number because this is a mixed number, and a mixed number is made with a whole number and a fraction. So when I write that as a decimal, I'm going to show that I have 4 in my ones place, then add my decimal to the right, my decimal point to the right, and then I can show 55/100ths. So it would look like this: 4 and 55/100ths. So when you go on your own, you're going to be doing something similar. You're going to convert fractions or mixed numbers into decimals, or you're going to take the decimal and convert it back to either a fraction or a mixed number.